Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. In this quick video, I'm going to give you the brake torque specifications, the front brake torque specifications on a 2015 to 2024 Nissan Murano. I just uploaded a video doing a complete DIY step-by-step brake job. If you need to know how to do that, go look on that video, please. But this is just real quick. If you need the brake torque specifications, including the lug nut torque specs. First off, the brake caliper bracket to knuckle bolts, these are 22 millimeter bolts, and you're going to tighten these down to 107 foot-pounds. I'm using a 1/2-inch torque wrench to get this properly torqued down, so you might need to do that as well. I prefer a clicking type torque wrench. I can't even talk right. I prefer the clicking type torque wrench rather than the digital beeping ones, just my personal preference. Next, the brake caliper bracket to caliper bolts. These are 17 millimeter bolts, and they're going to be tightened down to 34 foot-pounds. You might need to use a open-end wrench to hold the sliders from spinning, but again, 17 millimeter bolts, 34 foot-pounds. Now, it is very important to use proper torque specifications when doing a brake job. You want everything to seat properly. You want everything to be able to move as it should. You don't want to break any bolts. You don't want to strip anything out, and you don't want anything to rattle apart while you're driving down the road. So when you're using proper brake torque specifications, you know everything should be moving easily as it should. You know your brakes are going to last as long as possible. You're not going to get any weird vibrations, and everything is just going to be a good BJ. That's what we all just want to do, right? Now last, the lug nut torque specifications. On this vehicle, these lug nuts are torqued down to 83 foot-pounds. Again, 83 foot-pounds, and you want to tighten your lug nuts up in a star pattern. Never go in a circle pattern tightening up lug nuts. You always want to go in a star cross pattern to make sure the wheel is set up flush against the hub and the rotor, again, to avoid any vibrations and excessive wear on the brake system. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that this video did help you on. Check out the video library for a ton of other DIY maintenance videos, including on Nissan Murano and Pathfinders. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.